Then yeah.
Oh, I got a fish on there.
Oh, there's one. I got a good one this time. Oh yeah. Coming right at me. Ooh, Clint got him a nice goggle eye. I hope I can keep this one. Oh yeah, I got a nice smallmouth right here.
Oop. Yep. Yeah. Caught myself.
Best catch of the day, ain't it?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
I'm still fighting this one here.
What you got on yours?
I got a nice brownie.
Brownie.
Oh, and that's what it's all about right there, folks.
Try that in a small town.
Yeah,
Yeah, try that in a small town.
try that in a small creek.